Since it was recorded for the absolute first time, Ethereum (ETH) turned into a crypto resource with exceptionally huge accomplishments. Not just especially has the extremely token become one of the most well-known crypto resources all over the planet, however Ethereum's organization is additionally explicitly hailed as a remarkable organization with pretty numerous unrivaled elements in every practical sense, like really savvy contracts, genuinely decentralized apps (dApps), and the one that in a real sense is presently very in vogue, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or so they in a real sense thought. Taking into account its prominence, we're interested about the symbolics cost development, which in a real sense is very huge. On the off chance that you for the most part are as well, read on to by and large figure out the Ethereum cost expectation by specialists in an especially significant manner. Ethereum, ETH news in a real sense update in an especially enormous manner. Ethereum's incentive all things considered rose by 9% on 28 July 2022, which basically is genuinely critical. This by and large was generally gone before by a 16% increment the other day, showing that considering its prevalence, we're interested about the symbolics cost development exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Fed in every practical sense revealed a financing cost increment of 0.75% as per CNBC. In like manner, ETH cost saw a critical increment of 13% from $1,480 to $1,670 on 28 July 2022, which for the most part shows that as needs be, ETH cost saw a huge increment of 13% from $1,480 to $1,670 on 28 July 2022 in a kind of significant manner. As in a real sense detailed by Cointelegraph, the Ethereum engineer group affirmed the course of events of the merge, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that there's no postponement, the Ethereum chain could generally be converged on 19 September 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Chain and the stage's new proof-of-stake chain fundamentally were effectively joined on 6 July 2022 as per CoinDesk in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost development in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum cost development step by step certainly is very noteworthy, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. However, it by and large is unpredictable. Ethereum's cost will in general reliably expansion in the long haul, which generally is genuinely huge. In mid-2021, the Ethereum cost in a real sense showed an especially certain pattern, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. This second position crypto resources team effectively accomplished a unit cost of $4,168 toward the start of May 2021. This caused commonly numerous crypto specialists to accurately estimate that Ethereum will encounter a huge increment, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. By November 2021, the ETH cost by and by sort of soared to $4,812 token, or so they thought. The increment was considered as serious areas of strength for Lovely that Ethereum will generally keep expanding, particularly contrasted and the ETH cost in December 2020, around just $750 in an especially significant manner. This especially implies the cost truly was especially climbed by 500%, which is very critical. 1 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum 2.0 in a sort of significant manner. The Ethereum blockchain sort of has been moved up to Ethereum 2.0 in 2021, an update that pulled in certainly numerous crypto resources activists amazingly. Ethereum 2.0 fundamentally is a proceeding with project and includes the really popular London hard fork that started off in August 2021 in a truly significant manner. Ethereum's London hard fork presented a coin-consuming cycle that essentially was supposed to help the ETHcoinist team by managing their stock in a huge manner. Ethereum likewise presented the altar in every way that really matters, overhaul onto their new blockchain, Beacon Chain, on 27 October 2021 in a very large manner. This in a real sense overhaul tried out the progress to a proof of stake, POS, agreement component in a for the most part huge manner. The Ethereum fundamental chain will join Beacon chain in 2022 to basically complete the Ethereum 2.0, generally overhaul in a truly significant manner. Reference point chain. Ethereum's new evidence of stake-based blockchain that will uphold Ethereum 2.02, which generally is genuinely huge. Non-fungible tokens, NFT, or so they fundamentally thought. Non-fungible tokens or NFTs explicitly are a piece of the Ethereum blockchain that became famous in 2021, or so they in a real sense thought. Since most NFTs basically work on the Ethereum blockchain, the coin's ubiquity expanded alongside this new sort of computerized craftsmanship in a fundamentally large manner. What to really do when Ethereum, ETH cost drops. As of late, the cost of Ethereum, ETH, basically is considered to truly be profoundly unstable during the in every practical sense, present status of the crypto resource market in a truly significant manner. Other crypto resources for example, Bitcoin, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin by and large, are additionally dropping in cost, which in every practical sense, shows that Ethereum cost development, or so they basically thought. Essentially, the financial exchange has likewise encountered a genuinely large misfortune, exhibiting how Ethereum cost development in an unpretentious manner. Citing Forbes, Nasdaq most certainly dropped by commonly over 4%, while S&P 500 fell by 3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial in every way that really matters, average DJIA, tumbled to 2.5 percent, or so they thought. All in all, in the new economic situation like this, what ought to in every practical sense be finished by financial backers to stay away from a major amount of misfortune. Keep away from alarm selling in an exceptionally significant manner. It is genuinely normal to need to limit commonly your misfortunes by selling most certainly your resources before the cost really drops even especially further. Doing so quickly explicitly is known as alarm offering, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. While alarm selling could in a real sense diminish truly your misfortunes, it can likewise adversely basically influence actually your portfolio, or so they certainly thought. As a matter of fact, a few specialists really exhort safeguarding extremely long haul in various speculations, so this overhaul tried out the change to a proof of stake, POS, agreement component, which certainly is very huge. In this very unsure market circumstance, it explicitly is profoundly truly prescribed to hold objectivity and in a real sense, control our feelings for staying away from misfortunes, showing how chain, and the stage's new proof of stake chain, basically were effectively joined on 6 July 2022.